This sounds fake, but in medieval Europe, animals were formally put on trial in court, with judges, lawyers, witnesses, and verdicts. Pigs, cows, horses, rats, even insects were accused of crimes. And these weren't symbolic trials. They followed real legal procedures. In 13th to 17th century France, Switzerland, and Germany, pigs were the most common defendants. If a pig injured or killed a child, it could be arrested, imprisoned, dressed in human clothes, and brought before a judge. Records show pigs were assigned legal representation, questioned through testimony, sentenced to execution. One famous case in 1386, France ended with a pig being hanged in public after killing a child. But it didn't stop with pigs. Insects were also tried. Locusts, rats, and beetles were summoned to court for destroying crops. The court would issue a formal notice ordering them to leave the area. If they didn't, the insects were excommunicated. This wasn't satire, it was official church law. So why would people do this? Medieval justice wasn't just about punishment, it was about restoring moral order. Animals were seen as part of God's system. If they caused harm, the balance was broken, and law had to respond. Trials also reassured communities that chaos was being addressed. Even if the outcome seems absurd now, it made sense then. What's most surprising? These trials were carefully documented. They followed the same legal logic used for humans. To medieval people, putting an animal on trial wasn't ridiculous. Letting disorder go unanswered was. History doesn't just show us how people lived, it shows us how they tried to make sense of a dangerous world. And sometimes, that meant putting a pig on trial. If this made you see the world differently, like the video and subscribe to Mind Archive.